Hi guys, today we're going to talk about on-page optimization on your website. So what that means is that what are the things that you can put in place to make sure your pages on your website are optimized properly for search engines and for the visitors on your website. So what that means is we're going to review changes you can do to make sure your conversions are increased, people are spending more time on your website, and the search engines are liking it because the architecture or the design of your website, the way you put things in place are as per the guidelines or as per what the search engines prefer. Just to make it easy for you guys, what we've done is we've created this infographic that you guys can follow step by step to make sure either you yourself, if you're doing SEO on your website, are doing those things right, and the SEO company that you put in place or SEO company you've hired, they're doing the things right by your website as well. So guys, 10 to 15 minutes of studying this particular checklist will give you an idea and save you thousands of dollars basically towards the SEO activities that your SEO company is doing at the moment. So please make sure that you actually spend that 10 minutes and reviewed those activities that we've listed here against your website at the moment and find out exactly whether these practices have been followed on your website or not. So I will include the link to this particular page and just basically for you go through this checklist and find out whether these activities are happening on your website or not the way that they've been listed here. So it highlights things like the title tags on your website. So for example, the title tag is the one that actually gets listed on Google. So this blue thing here is actually the title tag of that particular page that is getting listed. It also talks about how your URLs should be structured, also talks about how many H1 tags you've got, which is the headings on the website, pictures that needs to be included. So it's got 3 pages. It's a quick checklist, guys. 10 minutes of your time will actually help you save a lot of money on your SEO activities, and keep an eye on the SEO activities that have been done on your website as well. End of the day, guys, if you're not doing SEO on your website, it's like a luxury car that you parked in the garage and without any engine in it. So you've spent time on your website, you have to make sure that there's visitors, and your website is a business tool. Because if the website is not producing business, and there's no use having a website. Gone are the days you'd make a website and hope for the best. Right now, you have to make the website for your audience, for your visitors, and place it in the right place where your ultra hyper buyers are looking for your products and services. This page also talks about what you can do or what you can expect. The SEO company that you hired is doing the right thing. The strategy you put in place is actually the correct strategy for your business. So have a look at that video as well, guys, and what you can expect from the SEO itself from your website. So end of the day, guys, our aim is to make sure that you are aware of what you're doing. The SEO money that you're spending on your website is producing a return for your business, and you are getting those ultra hyper buyers that are actively looking for your products and services online. Mind you, there's more than 3.2 billion searches made in Australia every single day on search engines. Out of that, how many searches are being made for your products and services is what you need to know before you even engage with any SEO company. You need to understand the SEO strategy that you put in place is being put in the right direction. You do not need to rank for keywords or key phrases that are not producing any searches. You are only targeting the buyers that are actively looking for those products and services. That search is already there, that need is already there, the demand is already there, and then in turn you're supplying by placing your website in the right place in the search engines. So what we need to understand here, guys, is 10 minutes of your time, 10-15 minutes of your time will save you a lot of money on your SEO. Have a look, guys, or simply give us a call on 1300-565610, and one of our consultants will review your current SEO activities, give you an honest, unbiased opinion on what is happening with your SEO company, what is happening with your current SEO strategy, and how we can actually improve it. Whether you engage with us or whether you give those reviews to your current SEO company, it doesn't affect us. What affects us is that the SEO that is being done on your website should actually produce return for you as well, and we're happy with that. So give us a call on 1300-565610. We'll be more than happy to review your current SEO activity. You can also contact us on xugar.com.au. So it's Xugar with an X, xugar.com.au, and I'm looking forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks for your time.